Listen, I know some of y'all hate Ulta because of the Ulta beauty world thing, and y'all instilling y'all feelings, talking about I'm never going to shop at Ulta again. I'm never going to shop at Ulta again. That was terrible. It was only 3,000 tickets. I don't know why y'all decided that Ulta should have had like 3 million tickets because everybody fucking wanted to go, but that's another story. And I know y'all selling y'all feelings, so we're not even going to talk about that. But what we are going to talk about is why I shop at Ulta. And it's not just because of the brands or anything. It's because of the perks with Ulta. So I'm going to give y'all the perks and how to maximize your shopping at Ulta. So the first thing is the point system. And Ulta is really good about having multipliers where you can gain more points per purchase and things like that. And they can stack also. So one of the best times to use multipliers is during your birthday month, because you already get 2 times the points on any purchase. Plus, if you buy anything that has a multiplier on it, you get those extra points. So you can really maximize how many points you get. And because their points translate to actual cash dollars that you can spend in the store, it's really good. Now, here's the thing. Listen, this is a pro tip. Do not use your points until you hit 2,000, and try to use them in increments of 2,000 if at all possible. And the reason being is because that's how you maximize how much you get to spend with your points. Because when you hit 2,000 points, you get $125. And so then that way you actually get a nice amount. That's how I buy a lot of fragrances. I'll get 2,000 points, and then I'll see a fragrance that I want, and I wound up, spending maybe like $20 or $30 on $100 and some bottle of perfume. And a lot of people do that, but you got to hold on to the points, because when you go into the store, they'll ask you, do you want to use your points? Because the thing is, Ulta wants you to use them up before you hit that 2,000 point threshold, because you're not getting as much bang for your buck, right? Now, the multipliers. Ulta always has multipliers. And the thing you have to make sure you do is have the app. I'm a firm believer in the app, and I don't even like having apps on my phone, but the app is critical to getting the amounts that you want. And the reason why is because a lot of things are on the app that you won't see if you're just going on the website. So you want to have the app on your phone, and you want to maximize your usage, and you have to activate those point multipliers or you will not get them. Here is a pro tip. If you buy something with a multiplier, make sure it's something you want, because if you return it, you will lose all those points. It's not like they do an even exchange. They're going to return it and then they're going to exchange it. So you're going to lose all those points. So just a pro tip. That's a pro tip about the points. So you want to make sure you're getting them correctly. And when they have the big ones, like twice a year, they do 10 times the points. They do a 10 times multiplier, especially if you're diamond or platinum. Y'all, go on and spend that money. I usually spend about $200, and that gives me about 2,000 points. And here's the thing. If you buy things during that time, if it has another multiplier on it, you'll even get more points. So if you're doing that, and so I'll buy $200 worth of stuff, but I immediately have $125 credit. So it makes you feel like, and I know this is girl math, that I only, $75 because I'm going to get something else for it. So that's my girl math for the day. Now, the next thing about purchasing from Ulta, and it's about having the app, is maximizing the free things you can get. Ulta, listen, Sephora be playing with us, giving you, you got to give up points to get like one deluxe sample or something, or they might give you 2 little samples. Ulta don't play like that. Ulta will give you bags of things. And here's the thing that I've learned, and understand this. If Ulta has like 2 or 3 different free things you can get them all. So if you see something where it says spend $80 and you'll get this bag of freebies, go on and get that. Now, if it has another one that says if you spend $120, you can get these freebies, you can get them both. So understand that about it. It's not like you get one or the other. You got to choose them. No, you can get them both. So I'm saying this to say, my last orders from Ulta, I bought 2 orders. I bought one that had more fragrance in it. One had makeup because I had 20% off makeup. And then one, I bought some fragrances. I think I bought some fragrances on that one. But let me just show you the amount of freebies that I received from these 2 orders from stacking things. So it was like the orders, I just got extra stuff and extra stuff. Now I'm not going to go through them all, but I'm just going to show you the bags. So this right here is the bag full of perfume samples. This is all perfume samples. They had where you could get like 23 samples, 20 or some over 20 samples for buying spending a certain amount of money. Did that. This was one order. And the thing with it was that and so I wound up with all these samples from there. So, and then whenever you get some free samples whenever you get a freebie pack, there's always some free perfume samples. You just kind of have to look at them and see, is this something I want? And even if you don't want them, I have now gotten into the habit. Here's another pro tip. For samples that you don't like, create little bags to give away to people. I take makeup bags, free makeup bags that I get, and I stuff them full of them and I give them to people. And it's a perfect gift for somebody who's getting into fragrances and everything. It's a perfect gift and they like love it and you ain't even really spend any money. So here's all of the samples that I received. Now, I did get another 2 bags of things. Now, understand, a lot of times that's why I say these makeup bags. I'm forever getting makeup bags. You know, a lot of times you get all these makeup bags. So a lot of times these things come with makeup bags. But this time I picked up and I've gotten 1, 2, 3 bags of freebies. And here's one of the things. So here's a highlight of it. I got an e.l.f. Reviver Glow free full size one. And I had never used these. And I was like, please, ain't that great? But now I want a bunch of them, y'all, because this is cute. Okay, so that's one. And a lot of times you will get full size things in there. A lot of times they'll give you like free lip glosses. They'll give you free lip pencils. You'll get a full size mascara or something. And honey, if you wear mascara, you won't never have to buy mascara again because you will always get sample size mascaras. I haven't bought mascara in over a year now because I'm always getting free ones from Ulta when I'm getting, and it's not like the cheap brands. You'll get a mix of drugstore and luxury brands. Like I have Charlotte Tilbury ones, I have Lancome ones, I have MAC. They give out really good samples. So the way to maximize all of this is I might have a cart started of things that I'm trying to buy, like maybe some hair care products or something. And then I hold that cart for either things like percentages off that they're giving, buy so much, get so much off. If they're giving out multipliers, I'll make sure if there's some things from that brands that I wanted, I put that in the cart. And if there's some good freebies, I will hold the cart until I say, okay, there's some good freebies, y'all. It makes sense. So that is how I maximize my shopping at Ulta. And that's why I'm an Ulta shopper. So y'all can be mad at them about Ulta Beauty World, but I'm going to keep shopping. Y'all, it's cool because whatever y'all don't buy, I can purchase and that stuff won't be selling out as quickly. All right, y'all. Just wanted to help. Just want to give y'all Ulta Beauty shopping hints.